be making a duplicate of this website. We can see when you scroll down, there's our website. It's taking a while to load. Okay, let's scroll up a bit. When you press this home button, we can see it takes you to a home button. When you press this one, obvious it's loading this one, but when you press the service button, it goes straight to the service page. When you press the article, you have your home button right here. You press the about button, you still have your home button. You can type whatever you want to type in your search button of the footer, and when you press the emailers, it should open the mail. Yes, it does. You don't have to see my mails, by the way. Okay, just joking. Okay. Oh, for this project, we're going to need our style.sss. We are going to need our index.html. To create those files, you can just right click, press new, and then text file. Let's say it's index.html, something like that. Let me say index1 for this example. That's how you create that blank file. Okay, then we can when you open our images folder, you can see you have your footer background, you have your home page background, and then we have this icon for Instagram, which is this icon right here, right? Then we have this search icon, which we've used right here. Okay, let me remove this thing. We don't need it. Okay, then inside the articles, we have these 3 images. And then you can see the first one, it's a lady on top of the bed with a PC. The second one, it's a man who's listening to his music. And then it's a man on a laptop doing whatever he's doing. And then we are going to use those images on our articles page right here. Here is the lady on top of the bed. And then we have the man who's listening to music, I hope, or playing some games. And then we have this man right here who's doing whatever he's doing. Let's just say he's coding. Never know. Then we have this show more button. When you hover it, how okay, whatever it is, you hover over it, you see it's underlined. Okay, let's get started with our website. Here you can see if you are doing your own project, you can place your logo here, logo of your company, whatever you're doing a website for, you can place the logo here. And then from here, it's our first full website on this YouTube channel. So when you wanna edit these files, since the index and the style.css are empty files, as you can see here, they are written 0 kbs. All you need to do is just right click on each of them. After right clicking, my laptop is a bit slow. You will say open with brackets or edit with notepad. You can use whichever text editor that you are comfortable with it. You can use your Atom, you can use your Visual Studio, whichever text editor that you are comfortable with it. But in this project, I'll be using brackets. Then you'll say open with brackets. Because my laptop is slow, I've already opened it. I think I've tried for 15 minutes trying to open it. I have to change this text editor or upgrade it of something, but it's a bit slow. Then for me, you can see here I've opened a folder, the entire folder. Here are my images, my article images. You can see them. If you want to do so, you can go to file and say open folder. Go and choose the folder that you want to open. Here's my index.html, it's blank. Here's my CSS, it's blank. Okay, then what we can do, we can open our index on the browser. Just double click on the index.html. It should open on your browser, whichever browser that you are using. As we can see, it's a blank page. So let's get to it. Let's start coding because we love coding. We can see, okay, I've already activated my shortcuts for brackets. So to use my shortcuts to create the HTML skeleton, I'll just type the exclamation mark and press tab. Oh, sorry. Press tab. Oh, I've opened the style.css. Sorry. It only works with HTML files. Right? Okay. There we go. We have our skeleton HTML, which is sort of our web page. Then here on the title, you can write whatever you want. You want your web page to display here. You see right now it's written index.html. Let's say we wanna type it. We want it to display. Let's say Buhle Allen. Right? Let's see. When we refresh our page, we can see it's written Buhle Allen. Wow, means it's working. Then yeah, let's get going. So in this project, to simplify this page, you see right here, it's in the articles page. Oh, you see here we have these articles right here. To simplify, to make our lives easier when we are creating this part, we are going to use a bit of bootstrap, but we're not going to download the folder of bootstrap where we'll be using, what do you call, is it the CND of bootstrap, I think. Sorry, bootstrap CND. Yeah, quick start. You can press your quick start. When you scroll down, you'll see we have our CSS, you have your JavaScript, you have your JavaScript bundle. As we go, you see, this is the alpha version of Bootstrap 5. Quick Start will be using version 4.5.2. Okay, since we are not going to be using any JavaScript in this program, so we'll be focusing on our CSS. We'll use Bootstrap for its CSS. We'll use it in HTML, meaning if you're going to use it in HTML, you'll just click this link for HTML. Just click it. You see it's written copy to clipboard. Then you go to your, what you call your HTML file. You create a link tab, right? And then you paste your link for what you call for the CSS, right? Oh, sorry, you don't even have to create the link because the link tab, because you already have the entire tab coded for you. Okay, let's see if it works. Where did we go wrong? It's not supposed to be red right here. Okay, let me say back. Oh, well, there we go. Let's see if it works. If our Bootstrap is really installed in our project. how we're going to check that. Let me say we're going to create a div with the class row, and then our div would have an unordered list which have let's do it like this. We'll create an unordered list with the class row, and then row is it's one of the bootstrap classes. Each in that unordered list will be having our list items. Let's have 3 list items with class call dash. If we have 3, we can call 4, right? Tab. Let's do like this. Class call 4 class call 4 class, let me say, with class call 4. There we go. Let's say, sorry, first call, second, third, and then you can just say call. Control save. Let's go and refresh our page and see if our bootstrap is really installed. Okay, we can see we have our 3 columns here, and then when we remove the classes call, let's see how it will look. Or let's just remove row to make our lives easier. Yeah, there we go, meaning now we have our bootstrap installed correctly. Then we'll have our CSS, this one, the one that is written style.css. We'll have to install it in our HTML, which is style.css.